Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Canon printer drivers from the Canon support portal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Canon support and press enter. Look for the official Canon support page in the search results and click on it. Once you are on the Canon support page, find the search box. Enter your printer model number into the search box. Click the search icon or press enter to proceed. On the results page, locate your specific printer model and click on it. You will now see a list of available drivers and software for your printer. Look for the drivers and download section. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu as it may depend on your computer. After selecting your operating system, review the available drivers. Find the most recent driver or software version that is compatible with your printer. Click on the download button next to the driver you need. A new window may appear to confirm the download. Click Save File to download the driver to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded driver file. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer if prompted. Your Canon printer should now be ready to use with the latest drivers installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.